Hi, welcome back. I've decided to do it again. I can't get enough of these resin glass vases. They are so much fun to make, and I love how they cure. For this project, I added gold dimensional paint to the vase, and I let it dry for 24 hours before I added the resin. I will list all items I am using in the description box below. To start, I added some clear resin to the entire vase. I wanted to make sure the resin got in between the little grooves of the dimensional paint. Then I mixed some black craft paint with my resin, and I am adding it to the bottom half of the vase. I mixed some white resin paste with some clear resin and added it to the top half of the vase after that. I did not let the white touch the black yet. In the middle, I dropped gold metallic alcohol ink into the clear resin and let it spread. After a couple spins, I added some white in the middle of the gold to help break it up, and I added some gold to the top of the vase just to give it a little bling. Then I decided it would be fun to bring a little bit of the black to the top white area. I am having fun adding these colors to the vase and seeing how they blend as the vase turns. I did add my holographic mold underneath the vase to catch any resin that falls off. After I finish playing around with my vase, I add any remaining resin to the mold to make sure it is full. I did need to pull the mold away from the vase to make sure that it stays flat as it cures. After I'm done playing around with the vase and the mold, I will cover my project and let it spin for 24 hours so it can cure. Look how pretty this vase turned out. I love how elegant yet grungy it looks. This holographic mold also looks amazing. I love how the black is picking up the colored holographic effect on the front, and I love how the gold is on the back. Two different designs with this piece. I love it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for crafting with me, and I'll see you in the next video.